glutes. For this one, hold it big tread down. We're coming back this way again and just place big tread right under the meaty part of your glute. And then we're just rocking back and forth. Now you can rest back onto your elbow like this to give yourself a bigger range of motion. Move it in towards the center a little bit more. And always just trying to figure out where you've got tight spots. If you do find a tight spot, you might want to just linger on that for 3 times 30 seconds. So as always, we're just going to reverse that. Dust. As always, we're just going to reverse that. Placing it under the meaty part, coming back onto our elbow. Nice long motions, being aware of where we're tight in there. We might want to just reposition ourselves a little bit on the big tread. And perhaps even come in towards the middle a little bit too. No more than 2 minutes. There's glutes.